Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add or insert an equation to your documents on Google Docs. It is super simple, guys, and I'm going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure you follow along, drop a like, and now let us get started. So as you can see, we're on Google Docs and I chose this example document here for the sake of this tutorial. So in the first step, what you want to do is click where you'd like to place the equation. So let me place it, let's say you're at the end of that document. So left click there, and what you want to do after that is click on insert here at that, or select it from the top menu, and here from the drop down menu select equation, and after that you will see that tab here above your document with various operations, like for example mathematical operations, Greek letters, miscellaneous operations, relations, and so on and so forth. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to add a simple math operation. To do that, click on that arrow down icon and select your preferred math operation. So let me go, for example, with that simple operation here. And after that, enter the data, for example, for a math operation like 1 and below 3. And that's basically it. That's how you add equations to your documents on Google Docs, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.